When it comes to women's nighttime conflict safety, making noise and yelling can be crucial strategies for self-defense. In situations where a woman feels threatened or unsafe, vocalizing loudly can attract attention and deter potential attackers. Yelling for help or shouting phrases like, "back off" or "leave me alone" can signal to others nearby that assistance is needed. Additionally, carrying a personal alarm or whistle can provide an extra layer of protection by creating a loud sound to scare off attackers and alerting others to the situation. It's essential for women to feel empowered to use their voice and make noise when faced with a threatening or dangerous situation, as it can potentially prevent harm and ensure their safety. In women's nighttime conflict safety, utilizing lights or reflections to attract attention can be a valuable tactic for self-defense. Women can use flashlights, phone lights, or reflective surfaces like mirrors to signal for help and draw attention to their location in times of distress. By shining a light towards an assailant or using reflective objects to create flashes of light, women can disorient attackers and alert bystanders to the situation. This technique can serve as a powerful way to enhance visibility and increase the chances of receiving assistance in threatening situations. Incorporating light and reflection into personal safety strategies can be an effective means of gaining attention and ensuring women's well-being during nighttime conflicts. In a parking lot, a woman can take several proactive measures to protect herself from an attacker while also attracting attention to the situation. Firstly, she can ensure that she parks her vehicle in a well-lit and populated area, where potential witnesses are present. Additionally, she can have her keys ready in her hand, enabling her to quickly enter her vehicle if necessary. It's also beneficial for her to maintain situational awareness like scanning the surroundings.